Ladies and gentlemen, it has been said many times, one cannot do physics if you do not have a bowling ball. We have a bowling ball attached to a pendulum. And what we're going to be talking about is energy, potential energy, kinetic energy. When we take the ball and we bring it back up, you'll notice that we are increasing the height. And if we think about it, MGH, now we have more gravitational potential energy. When I release the ball, that gravitational potential energy is going to be changed. The height is going to go and get converted into the velocity as it heads down. And then it'll come up the other side and come back. So if I release the ball, I go down, it comes back up. Now, you'll notice that as it goes down, the velocity increases as it gets more kinetic energy, slows when it comes back up the other way. Now, with this, let me try a little experiment. I'm going to take this right on my chin, and I'm going to release it. And then it's going to come back up, and you notice I didn't flinch. And why? Law of conservation of energy. I realized that I cannot create energy. You can only change forms. In this case, potential, kinetic, potential, back to kinetic, back to potential. It's not going to increase. So therefore, if I put it on my chin, it will come back up basically to where my chin is. And in fact, if you listen real carefully, you might hear it rubbing on the top. That sound is a loss of energy as well. So the chance that it's going to hit my chin unless I lean in or go forward, no way it's going to happen. So if I take a look, it heads down, comes back up. I make it a little bit more dramatic, quite frankly. I grab the ball and bring it towards me. You guys don't notice that, but it looks pretty awesome. Now, the other thing is, if we think about it, if we've got a swing, and we take a swing, and you have little kids, with my granddaughters and my own kids, I've noticed this. Little kids are like a magnet to the lowest point on a swing. That's a mistake. Because what's going to happen is we're going to gain a lot of velocity, and then we're going to get an impact. And that's what would happen to the kid. It's called natural selection. No, don't try that, okay? But this is law of conservation of energy. Height, exchange for velocity, exchange back for height. And that's it.